There was a gentleman called Vincent van Gogh, who was an artist. He used to draw powerful pictures that these days are selling for millions. After Vincent van Gogh, kwaba Picasso. Picasso changed how we look at art. And there was Picasso, there was Leonardo da Vinci. Abanye abantu bangamkhumbula Leonardo da Vinci, who drew a picture at Marin de Gracia, where we protect what person umzimba khona. What Croatia is Chambers khona nonke nasemzimyeni. The sub Croatia la ibe brothel like this khona umzimba. So these guys are very creative. Yini a common ngabo mental health issue. Season almost 72% of American artists have suffered severe mental health issues, both music, written works. What worries me, there are very few people aware of the severity of mental health. And today when we read those books, but if you can understand what happened, or Jane Didleon, Susan Sundak, Percy Whittingham, mental health. Such as post this period, which is called postmodern. Postmodern, Whitney Houston, Luther Vandross, Mariah Carey, severe mental health issues. How many of us know Mariah Carey is bipolar? I'm sure you did not want. Luther Vandross attempted suicide almost 7 times. You have to dig deep into the real history, and those that probably would have worked with him, who will share how difficult life was. He was one of the loneliest persons. We enjoy incidents, but we do not know the troubles that they go through. I honestly avoid to khuluma ngama South African artists because konakele South African mental health is severe. During the time Kwasi Zanele, she was sponsored by SLC, and what we did with her, we went to Caesars Palace, we went to Cape Town, Good Hope Center, East London. Babem Kokena Usam Rowe Kokama artist, creative industry, music, art. And then for 3 days, I will coach them on mental health issues. So that's like and Sun Coast. That was the last show that we ever had. Now, below the creative industry, they have so much creativity, but they don't see the day of light. At some stage in my office, I said, CD 117, beautiful work, but those CDs, they never saw daylight. And you move back today, some of the artists, they just disappeared. I do not know where they are today. Those CDs are still with me. And why did such creative people disappear? Believe me when I say this, it was mental health issue. Now, I had thought today, maybe I'm an artist as well, so that we can hear their pain, listen to their story, because we listen to their music, we enjoy their art, but we do not know. St. Augustine, for instance, I know some of you do not know that he was suicidal. Manchurian, which is an Eastern religion before he became a Christian. And with Manchurian, and a very strange philosophy which does not belong to Christianity. Analysis when I was invited by a South African religious community. Probably that thinking of his came from his mindset. Says in the scriptures, Hannah, Ruth, Paul, Job, David, severe mental health issues. You can research for yourself. Ruth had mental health issues. Jeremiah had mental Apostle Paul had mental health issues. Now, it's strong in mental health because it's something that you live with. It's an albatross on your neck. And a solution, but a solution but unfortunately, they take an easy way out. Now, what mental health issues is doing in year 2000, that is after the freedom after 95. So I wonder, so we were breeding, trying to create a nation. So then zoom back into the creative industry, as what Makoba had said. There is a serious problem, Bazarwane. It's just that you do not know. Maybe it disadvantage on my side. I'm privy to mental health because I've got a predisposition to these people. Because wayekwazi ukuhamba engena engqongqoza emnyangweni bese bemnikeza some funding bese kwazi ukuhlanganisa ama-artists, and wayengadiscriminate music, painting, drawing, creative, fashion industry wonke. And I wish you knew how many people used to gather in these road shows I sponsor CLC as we're traveling around the country. And it was very disturbing to hear how artists were battling with themselves. Now, equal care is not an answer, a solution, or we choose when you cannot deal with the self. So, meaning to say, the postmodern man and woman in the creative industry, the biggest challenge which akakwazi ukudila naye. So we are often in this external activity that might bring solution to yourself. The second thing before I sit down that I want to share, transgenerational trauma and historical trauma is a reality. Njengoba uhleli lapho nje lapho kulibo fuzo lwakho khona i-genetic marker kakhokho wakho oyine depression. That is why when you start ngesikhathi ube ne-situational depression, because it's recorded and encoded in your gene. And bazalwane ngicela ukuthi sicorrecte into eyingozi kabi. Prayer does not heal trauma. Ake ngiphinde bazalwane. Prayer does not heal trauma. What trauma requires ukuthi ube vulnerable uphume nobala and deal with what you are going on. Then what you can do is to use prayer as a guiding mechanism so that you can approach healing. But ngeke ulala uhuqukudla ubusuthi ngalo Jesu i-milestone anxiety yami izophela, ngalo Jesu iBhayibheli izophela, iskizo sami sizophela. Bese usebenzisa isonto ukubhaca. You're going to end up with religious psychosis. Sethi siyabona uma ushumayela enkonzweni nama-testimony akubona kodwa le testimony yona kepha ngenxa ukuthi si-supportive ebanjeni bese siya-tolerate. And if you want to see the worst form of trauma, go to the church inside. So, they have trauma lapha. Angithi enkonzweni ngaphakathi kuney'dakwa yifebe, ama-pornster, ama-masturbators, overeaters. And cabanga labo bantu, let's say this is an auditorium, ubagcwalise bonke endaweni eyodwa. Cosmetics. Yabona sengisalwe imithelo imuzi umuntu ethi Jesu, oh yeka mina baba. Ucabanga indlu abayishaye ngayizona yabo. The spirit wants to confess, but the limitation is to exactly. So as a result, I was telling him that I thank God for having kept me up to approaching 70. That is 70 probably next year. But what I like, one performative Christianity between 2000 and sawamaKrestu nje ngegama, otherwise asithi ishu. I-performative Christianity ukuthi udaka uhlobonga wenza ukuthanda kwakho kodwa ngesonto enkonzweni. And we have perfected the art. Yeah. Yabona sakhona abantu asebe-excela. But again, bheka Nkosi yami, bheka underneath this, there's an issue of mental health. Njengamanje nikhala ngofebe, angithi? Ngicela ukubuza abazalwane from a clinical perspective. Are you aware ukuthi depression iyabanga ufebe? Yeah. Have you chronic depression? No, don't be judgmental. But I want to also umuntu trapped in a hell space. Ebese ngicabanga ukuthi yazi ukuthi mhlawumbe mangijola nondaba ngijola nolizwi ngijola nomfundisi uLukhele ngijola ngibamba nebaba uThukusi kungase kube right yami. And abena sukela abantu aba-wrong kakhulu ngoba vele nabo nje straight off omuzi sivulekile yabo. So that is the reality of mental health. So underneath all that facade and the cauldron of pain, therefore, a creative industry suffers the lot. We can imagine what we know when so matter. But akekho umuntu owaziyo ukuthi omata bakho they're so beautiful. Uzobadayisela ba. Nomuntu ofuna ukubathenga, afuna ukukurobha, afuna ukubathenga underneath the price of your creativity. Njoba ngishilo 111 CDs are still in my office, you can see them. Those artists will never see daylight. Amanye ngawathathe Eastern Cape, amanye Gauteng. The only person, you can imagine, the only CD that never saw daylight, enginayo, I wonder how many people have that CD. Yeah, he was still not popular that day when he gave me his CD. Unfortunately, it's such an open-minded station that they'll play. But they then go through the worst form of mental health. So in the creative industry, there is still a lot. If we want to see our creative industry sustaining us economically, a lot of radical change needs to happen. Otherwise, I don't see anything positive coming out of it. Instead, I see suicide, bipolar, schizophrenia, and a lot of mess that is going to happen in the creative industries. So, Sibonga kakhulu Ndlovukazi nebaba Makhoba for having made this clarion call ukuthi sizela sizama ukuzodila nama issues. And I hope amongst you, one of you will stand up, be brave enough, and do exactly what uSizanele Mbokazi did. May her soul rest in peace. Ayongqongqoze endaweni akawaqoqa ama-artist. Believe me, ayenza. Uthi nje abaphatha ama-sit down emsebenzi yabo. Baphathele ikhumba abazenzayo, baphathe omata babo, baphathe yonke into abayenzayo. They will actually come. They did respect us. I remember the numbers up to today, or 300 in Gauteng. Good Hope said it was 1,400. East London, it was 800. And these were during the festive season. So there was a lot of sacrifice that people did. But what we noted and observed was a lot of mental health that was going on. So with creative industry, you are struggling with other issues. It's not only you, but transgenerational trauma, generational trauma, and in the trauma because abanye bethu bama-prem, abanye bazalwa ngo-6 months, bazalwa ngo-11 months, imessage, you know them. And uma wakho ancome athi mina yami ingane nje uNkulunkulu uyaphuma sekulethi kababe sebethola ngisaphinde ngibelethe kanti ingane ibanjwe i-trauma. There was nothing going on. When ingane ingafuni ukuza endaweni ene-trauma because dad is absent, mom is so traumatized, the whole body in a cortisol, ingane ayikwazi ngisho ukuhlala kwebuntu. Thank you so much, Pastor Lwena.